magsasama muli 'no ng inyong mga, immediate family na matagal nang hindi ninyo nakikita 'no. For some of you 'no, magkakaroon ng pagsasama-sama ulit 'no, pagsasalo-salo 'no, something like that 'no. So, yeah, maybe may mga events kayong upcoming 'no, something like that 'no, mga, Aries natin, right 'no. So, let's see what else 'no. Last na, kuha pa tayo 'no, possible na paparating for you mga Aries natin. Let's see, ano mga possible na paparating for Aries, please. Kuha pa tayo dito, 2 cards for Aries. Paparating for Aries, please. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for Aries. So, you have this Queen of Wands and then Page of Pentacles. No? So, for some of you, ang nakikita ko na sa inyo, possible na paparating, there is ano no, ang nakikita ko rito no, with this Queen of Wands no, parang you are being attracted no, or you will be attracted no to someone no. But then ang nakikita ko rito no, gagamitin ka lang ng tao na to because of your money no, something like that no, or may makakakonek ka na sobrang attracted ka, ma-attract ka sa tao na ito, but then ang intention niya is because of money lang no, something like that. Maybe for mapera kayo, something like that no, at mauuto ka ng tao na ito no, very deceiving no, something like that no. So kung sino man sa inyo no, ano to no, kumbaga parang yun nga no, paparating na parang yung target nitong tao na to is your money no, something like that no. Sabihin natin baka aakitin ka, isisidus ka, something like that. Because may gusto siyang makuha sa iyo and that is your money no. So something like that no, with the Page of Pentacles ang iyong finances no, but then nasa sa inyo to no, kung ano man to no, parang you are being attracted no to someone na parang you are willing to spend your money no, even though na alam mo na kakaunti lang yung iyong income no, ang dumadating na income sa iyo, right no. So medyo mag-ingat-ingat ka kasi baka maubusan ka din no